Hello. A cold polar air mass and Atlantic weather disturbances are expected in the United Kingdom over the next 5 days. Therefore, please watch the entire video, and before diving into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell to stay updated. Dear viewers, tonight's weather will be characterized by the influence of a frontal low-pressure system of Atlantic origin over the United Kingdom. This low-pressure system will be accompanied by relatively warm air, leading to a rise in temperatures in most areas. Heavy and intense rain is expected in the northwest and west of Scotland, while moderate rain is anticipated in the rest of Scotland, the Northern and Western Isles, Northern Ireland, Wales, and the northern half of England. This rainy weather will also be accompanied by strong winds exceeding 60 kilometers per hour in western and southern Scotland, the Western Isles, most of Northern Ireland, Wales, and extensive parts of England, especially northern England. The impact of the Atlantic low-pressure system will persist during tomorrow's Sunday. The sky will remain mostly cloudy in England, Wales, Northern Ireland, and most of the islands. In Scotland, there might be a chance of sunny and stable weather during the second half of the day. Rainfall will continue, but this time mostly in the form of light and expected rain, specifically in Wales, northern and southern England, Northern Ireland, and most of the kingdom's islands. In the first half of the day, rain may cover most areas of Scotland. However, strong winds will persist in most regions of the kingdom, especially in Scotland, northern England, the Northern Isles, and the Northwest Islands, where wind speeds may reach 100 kilometers per hour. On Monday, December 25th, the weather will be cloudy and rainy, with rainfall ranging from weak to moderate in most regions of the kingdom. There is also a possibility of snow returning, specifically in the central inland areas of Scotland, including locations like Achnasheen, East Ullapool, Inverness, Tomic, Drumnadrochit, Fort Augustus, Glenelg, Tomatin, Aviemore, Kingussie, Grantown-on-Spey, Braemar, Rothes, Keith, Dufftown, Strathdon, Ballater and Huntly. As for Tuesday, December 26th, prepare for a stable and mostly sunny day in most areas. However, the weather will be cold in Scotland, northern England, northern Wales, and Northern Ireland due to a polar air mass coming from the north. The atmospheric stability won't last long as the United Kingdom braces for another round of weather disturbances on Wednesday, December 27th. Yes, dear viewers, be prepared for unstable weather as the cold polar air mass from the north converges with a new Atlantic low-pressure system coming from the west. A full day of expected rain, snow, and strong winds awaits, with heavy rainfall anticipated across all regions and cities in the kingdom, particularly in Wales, England, and southern Scotland, where rainfall measurements may exceed 20, 30, 40 millimeters or even 50 millimeters in some areas. Strong winds are also expected, ranging between 50 and 80 kilometers per hour, covering most regions of the kingdom. Snowfall is expected in northern England and most areas and cities in Scotland, with more intense snowfall in the inland areas of Scotland. Here is a list of the key areas affected by snowfall on Wednesday, December 27th: Macclesfield, Tideswell, Glossop, Leeds, Bradford, Huddersfield, Skipton, Harrogate, York, Pocklington, Ripon, Lofthouse, Laban, Richmond, Settle, Lancaster, Hawes, Sedberg, Kendal, Kirkby Stephen, Shap, Ambleside, Penrith, Keswick, Alston, Stanhope, Barnard Castle, Crook, Hexham, Bishop Auckland, Consett, Haltwhistle, Bellingham, Horsley, Kielder. As for Scottish regions, it's unnecessary to mention them as mentioned, most areas in Scotland will experience snowfall. On Thursday, December 28th, snowfall will continue in the northern half of Scotland and possibly even in the Northern Isles. Rain will persist in Wales and the southern half of England. Weather conditions will stabilise in the remaining areas, with a significant drop in temperatures across most regions of the kingdom.